Today we are going to make chocolate cigar rolls or wafer rolls. This is made without oven and without eggs. So in a bowl, save the dry ingredients. You can take 1 cup of maida or you can even take wheat flour. Then add half cup of powdered sugar. Then 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. You can add at the most 3 tablespoon of cocoa powder, not more than that. Then a pinch of salt. Mix all the dry ingredients together with a spoon. Here I am adding 3 tablespoons of normal cooking oil. You can also add vegetable oil if you have. Then add 1 cup of warm milk to make this batter thin. Depending upon the consistency of the batter, you can adjust the amount of milk. So you can see nice runny batter we have got. We do not want thick batter because we are going to spread this on a frying pan, so it needs to be thin enough. Now on a pan or a tawa like this, grease some oil or butter. Do not switch on the flame right now. Then add or spread 1 tablespoon, almost 1 to 2 tablespoon of this mixture that we have prepared, and with using the back of a spoon you can spread it like this. So be gentle and try making a circle using the back of a spoon, and make sure that it is thin enough, not very thick. So you have to cook it for almost 3 minutes on low flame. As you see that the color changes, it becomes a bit darker, you need to flip it using a spoon or spatula, and on the other side cook it for 1 minute on low flame. Now you need to be very quick here. Immediately using a straw or a skewer or anything, you need to roll it and keep it for like 10 to 15 seconds like this using a spatula or anything. Don't press it very hard, just keep it like this and then remove the straw or whatever you're using. So this way it will get stick. When it is hot enough, right then you have to do this. Otherwise, if you keep it for very long, then this process will not work. So do the same with all the remaining mixture. You can also use a brush instead of a spoon. So this is the second roll that I am making. So the tawa is already hot because I have made one previously. So it's okay. Just keep the flame at low. Right now do not switch on the flame. When you are making this circle, the flame should be off. When you need to cook this, then switch on the flame and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. So this one I'm doing with a brush. You can either do with brush or a spoon. For baking it, I am using kadai. You can either use oven or any other vessel or kadai. So I have kept a stand in it. I am going to bake this for 10 minutes at low flame. So this kadai was already preheated for 10 minutes at medium flame. So these are done. They are crispy right now, and I am adding some melted milk chocolate in this. You can either add dark one or white chocolate or any chocolate of your choice, or you can keep it just like that. For some neat work, you can also trim the sides or the edges of these wafer rolls. So these are done. This hardly took 20 minutes, and these are really tasty dessert. Of course, these were finished within few minutes. Everyone ate it and liked it a lot.